In this video, I'll show you how to buy Robux using GCash. The important thing to know is that Roblox official payment methods on the website include cards, PayPal, and Roblox gift cards. But GCash is not listed there as a direct Roblox checkout option. Because of that, the common way to buy Robux with GCash in the Philippines is to use an authorized seller that accepts GCash for Roblox gift cards, then redeem that code on Roblox. One easy option is Codashop Filipinas. Codashop says it sells official Roblox gift cards and accepts GCash as a payment method in the Philippines. To do this, open the Roblox gift card page on Codashop, choose the amount you want. Select GCash as your payment method, enter the required details like your email, and complete the payment. Codashop says the gift card code is then delivered instantly by email or SMS. After you receive the code, go to Roblox and redeem the gift card on your account. Roblox says gift cards are one of its official payment methods. And Roblox also notes that buying Robux on the web or with gift cards can give better value than some other purchase methods. If you are planning to buy directly inside the Roblox app, keep in mind that Roblox says mobile purchases use the App Store payment system instead, such as Google Play or iTunes. So for GCash, the cleaner route is usually buying a Roblox gift card from a supported seller and redeeming it on Roblox. So again, to buy Robux using GCash, purchase an official Roblox gift card from a seller like Codashop using GCash. Wait for the code, then redeem that code on your Roblox account to get your Robux. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.